All right, as with muckrakers, my first sentence: during the Gilded Age, there were many social reforms that were brought about by investigative journalism. Many of the writers of this style of journalism were seen as troublemakers by the U.S. government as well as corporations. Um, as a side note, Teddy Roosevelt hated these guys. He called them irresponsible journalists because of the investigative journalism that they were doing that caused all kinds of problems for the federal government. Because of this style of writing, because the style of this writing caused much stir within society, many viewed the writing as sensational, and President Roosevelt even accused the writers of being irresponsible with their accusations. And then here's my thesis right here. Sometimes it's okay to have your thesis as your last sentence. Muckrakers had an impact on society during the Gilded Age by uncovering wrongdoing by corporations, taking steps to change public opinion, and forcing government to take action on unethical practices of corporations. The Gilded Age should be capitalized here. That's wrong on my part. But that is my thesis sentence. It's got some supporting facts that should end up being somewhere in your paper expanded on. All right? When you put in, because of the style of writing caused much stir within society, many viewed the writing as sensational, and President Roosevelt even accused the writers of being irresponsible with their accusations. That's something that should be added in the paragraph, not word for word, but something else should be added about President Roosevelt during the Gilded Age, saying negative things about muckrakers, about how it caused the federal government to change what they were doing, how it made issue. That's an impact on society. And that's what your introduction paragraphs should be doing, is it should be highlighting some of the details as well in your paper.